to turn the camera flash on or off. For emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings with the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements and then tap show notifications. Tap open show notifications and then select settings icon. Tap ways to be notified and then on emergency tap camera flash switch until Bluetooth turn on or touch switch until gray to turn off. Touch switch until Bluetooth turn on or touch switch until gray to turn off. Camera flash for emergency alerts. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.